Hello. The big group of arecoid palms is kind of boiling pot of tropical diversity. Arecoid palms mostly occur in tropics, in neotropics and in old tropics, and sometimes the few drops out of this boiling pot go to the northern or more southern latitudes. So Japan is reached by two drops of this diversity. One of them grows on Iriamote Island, which is very close to Taiwan, the Takenia palm. And this is another one, Clinostigma. Clinostigma palm is belonging to the same arecoid group and grows on Ogasawara Islands, Ogasawara Archipelago. These palms are growing in a forest all around me. This is island Hachajima, and they are very normal forest palm. So yes, palms could be forest plants. They are normal. For that reason, palm must be extremely tall. This is actually very short ones, but in a forest, the length of that palm can reach very, very big size. They can be over bigger trees of the forest and put these giant leaves over crowns of trees of the first level. So forest palms have very vigorous growth, and they typically put their crown very high above. They're very visible from outside, but not easy to reach on the ground. So, but here you can see how this palm is constructed. So Clinostigma is covered with multiple leaf scars, almost circular, because the actual sheath is like around the stem. Leaves will go out, and at first inflorescences, which appear in May and June, will make flowers, but fruits soon will appear, and at that moment leaves are going out, and you can see infructescences ready for the distribution. So fruits now are almost ripe. So today is January 6th, and this is the time of ripening fruits. These fruits are typically distributed by birds. The upper layer of the fruit is slightly juicy, and this is enough. This bird will try, and when it tries, the fruit will go away from the mother palm exactly what palm is needed for distribution. Germination, as usual in palms, is complicated, very, very long. Partly it's related with very hard endosperm of most palm seeds. So you should wait. If you germinate palms yourself, you should wait a very long time, sometimes up to half a year. But finally, they will germinate and will grow into new native palms. So Hachajima is a very southern of all inhabited islands of Ogasawara Archipelago, and this palm is a companion of the forest. And if you look on the forest from above, you will see this palm and also two other palms. The second one is Livistona, and the third one is Arenga, which is kind of palm of understory, unusual. And also sometimes invasive palms like fishtail, Cariota will be present in this forest as well. So like Ogasawara have really well developed palm forest, of which Clinostigma, the one of the drops of tropical arecoid palm diversity, is a normal component. Again, today is January 6th. Thank you very much.